Hey you guys, well, I stopped here at Denny's right there to have a $4 breakfast, and in the parking lot I saw the old Big Lots store that is no longer open. So I thought we'll go walk over here, look in the windows, and see what there is to see. And we are in Peoria, Old Town Peoria. So see, they have their Big Lots sign right there for the carts, I think is what that was for. And you can see that they took the lettering off up here on the top of the building there. Why this didn't make it, I don't know. But we're gonna come over here and look inside. Let's see. Lights are all on. Don't know what they're. Looks like they're still closing it down. I don't know how long it's been empty. A lot of spider webs. Oh, look at that! Lots of them. All the way up. Oops, can't see through that. It doesn't look like they've been closed down that long. Not sure. That wall back there is messed up. Look at that. See that? I don't know what happened there. Don't see anybody in there. It's just a quick little peek. Oh, there's the lone chair. There's always a lone chair, isn't there? Yep. A lot of pallets. Must have been from them moving everything out. It's like see, they got this shelves and stuff right here stacked up there, and in that cart is a bunch of shelves. A lot of pallets. A lot of shelves. So it doesn't look like they've been closed all that long. Someone's got to be in there working or something, because we've got all the lights on. You can see where all the shelving was. All the shelves of the products were. They've taken out all the registers and everything already. Yeah. It's a Big Lots that is no more. This is a big chain. Big Lots is a big chain. I'm surprised that it couldn't make it. This is a This is a pretty, look, it's a pretty good area to have a business, you would think. There's all these houses and stuff over here. And then there's a bunch of houses over there across the road. And then there's that busy road, I think it's Grand or Peoria Avenue, one of the two, and they're both big roads. So I'm surprised they didn't make it. Alright, let's go ahead and look around the side here, see what's over here. See if there's anything interesting. There's the side. So another failed business in Peoria, Arizona. I don't know how long it's been closed down, but I do believe that it hasn't been super long because they're just taking the shelving out unless someone's fixing the place up to make it into something else. It says, here we go, let's see. Goodbye, hello, goodbye. Goodbyes are never easy, even though the store is closing. We promise that the same great deals are just up the road. So hello, and welcome to our new stores close by. And so there's 1, 2, 3 more stores that are close by. So they just had too many in one area, it sounds like. And that's why they closed this one down. Was it profitable? Hi. Do you know how long they've been closed down?
No, I don't.
Okay. Thank you. You too. Looks like there's another building. I mean, another store front right there that's closed in this little mall. And I think we'll go ahead and walk down here a little ways. And there is there's another one. That one's closed down. Whatever it was, can't read it, some salon. And this one here is closed down and papered up. Can't see in that one. And up here, if anyone's interested in any of these storefronts, there's your number. And this one, I don't know if those two windows are all connected to that big one there in the middle. Looks like it. And looks like this is a church. A church has moved into this one. Christian church. And that's what that is. And then we got a family store, the Goodwill. All right. I just wanted to document this. There's a bunch more to document in Peoria Old Town. We're gonna see how many we can find. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Please share on your social media. That really helps my channel to grow. We're at over, we're almost to 770 at this point. And this is February 1st that I'm filming this of 2019. Peace.